What's good, guys? Welcome back to another review. Today we have the brand new 7-inch All Day Comfort shorts by WYR. And then in addition to these, I also got all of the new shirt colorways here. And then with these, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a variety. And what I mean by that is with washing and like wearing them all day. So with this white one, I haven't washed it at all. So I'm gonna try that one on. And then the other three I have washed. But with this mineral blue one, I wore it all day. I even slept in it, so I'm going to show you guys how this fits after like a full day of wearing it. Of course, I will be trying on everything, including the shorts, giving my rating at the end. Now, if this video helps you guys out, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you are not subscribed yet, please consider it. I appreciate it, but let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's start with the shirts. So first up, we have the white Henley, the nice skinny collar, got 3 buttons. Again, this one was not washed yet. I'm 6 feet, 165 pounds right now. Go ahead and try it on. Okay. So if you have followed WYR for a little bit now, you would know that when they first started, they didn't have a plain white color. It was always like cream. So I'm really excited that they have just like a nice bright white. This one is a curve hem. Okay, so pay attention to how this one fits. Again, this one has not been washed. The next 3 have been washed. Okay, so this is the sage colorway right here. So I think this one, it definitely shrank a little bit, but in my opinion it fits better now. This is also a curve hem. Like a little bit more slim, like right here is where you kind of notice it. Not quite as baggy. Okay, this one is dusk. This is a pocket tee. And also curve hem. Nice and stretchy. If you guys are looking for an alternative to cuts, this is like as good as it gets. I mean, you know, as you can see, the colors are very similar. One of my issues with WYR in the beginning was that the color selection just was not broad enough. And now they're finally getting all these really nice colors and I'm super excited for them, honestly. Okay, this is the mineral colorway. And this is the one that I wore all day. I think it was 2 days ago. And I even slept in it too. So I wanted to show you guys, you know, how it fits now, if it's stretched out or not. I know that's a main concern for a lot of people. You know, you put the shirt on in the morning and then by the end of the day, the armholes are just loose, the body's loose. So as you can see here, the arms are still snug. They definitely feel a little bit not as snug. I don't want to say loose because they're not loose, but they're still snug to the arm, so can't really say anything. Maybe in the body, I think it stretched out a little bit. You guys can probably tell from the other ones I just tried on. A little bit more space in the body. And then this one is a split hem. So it is a little bit shorter. I do have the measurements, I'll put those on the screen. Okay, now for the shorts. We'll go ahead and take a look up close. They have a nice stretchy waistband here. They have the drawstrings on the outside. The tips are made of like a hard silicone, but they're like smooth as well. Okay, the inside material has those little loops. Just like all their other clothes, it's made of 95% cotton and then 5% spandex. On the back of the shorts, they do have one pocket which would be on your right side. And then for anyone wondering about this zipper flap, it doesn't actually open, it's just for looks. Okay, let's go ahead and try these on.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I had. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. Cheers to my past, I'm doing great now, just in case they ask. In the booth and I lay it down, I might take a nap. And they thought I was playing around, I was up like my tax, living fast.
Okay, next up we have the midnight colorway. Same exact thing, just different color. Now they make these in sage as well, which I think is an awesome color to get, and then also in this color, which is mineral. So I would highly recommend those two.
If you're not first and you're in last, Ricky Bobby quote, you gotta know. Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I had. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad.
Okay, moving on to the ratings. Now I've already rated these shirts 2 other times, and I'm gonna keep the exact same score because nothing's changed. I still absolutely love them. Fit is amazing, comfort's there, durability's great. So these are getting an 8.9 out of 10. Moving on to the shorts, first up we have fit, and those are getting a 5.3 out of 6. I think these fit very well, right? I think they're definitely slim without being like ridiculously slim, kind of like the cuts, what are those, like the AO shorts were last week. So I think these will fit the majority of people very, very well. And also their reviews right now are like 5-star. Everyone who's tried these has loved them so far. Just wanted to put that out there. For comfort, these are getting a 3.3 out of 4. They're nice and stretchy. They almost feel like sweat shorts a little bit, but they don't look like from far away. These are a really nice outfit. Like what I'm wearing right now, or even like the sage colorway with these shorts, such an easy outfit, looks really, really nice, but they feel like sweat shorts. So that gives them a total of 8.6 out of 10. Okay, for value, I'm giving them in between good and great. Everything they make is with that really nice Egyptian cotton. It is durable, it's stretchy, it looks nice, it feels nice. So that's what you're getting here with both the shirt and the shorts. I really think you guys are gonna like these if you have not tried them yet. So easy to recommend, put my name behind. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Also, what is your favorite color of the new shirts? Mine is probably this dust colorway right here, especially the pocket tee. I think it's fire. Probably gonna have to snag a couple of the other colorways with this pocket tee. But that's gonna wrap this one up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments. Like this video for me so we can get that YouTube algorithm going. But I will see you guys next week with a new one. Later, guys.
Peaches, she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that.